In today's video, we explore the life of a man whose poetry healed hearts, whose words transcended borders, and whose message of love still echoes across the world. This is the story of Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi, the poet of love, the mystic of divine truth, and one of the greatest spiritual voices in human history. Jalaluddin Muhammad Rumi was born in 1207 in Balkh, present-day Afghanistan, in a family deeply rooted in Islamic scholarship and spirituality. His father, Bahauddin Walad, was a respected scholar and Sufi mystic. When Rumi was still a child, his family migrated due to political instability, traveling through several regions. This long journey exposed young Rumi to different cultures, scholars, and ideas, shaping the foundation of his future wisdom. Eventually, the family settled in Konya, in modern-day Turkey, where Rumi grew up, studied, and began teaching. Rumi received a powerful education: Quran and Hadith, Islamic jurisprudence, Arabic and Persian literature, philosophy and logic, Sufi teachings. By the age of 24, Rumi had become a respected scholar and spiritual teacher, guiding hundreds of students. But the event that changed his life forever had not happened yet. In 1244, Rumi met a mysterious wandering dervish, Shams Tabrizi. This meeting was not ordinary. It was a spiritual spark, a moment that transformed Rumi from a scholar into a lover of divine truth. Shams awakened in Rumi the fire of divine love, the passion of poetry, the depth of mystical understanding. Their friendship was intense, deep, and misunderstood by many. Shams disappeared suddenly and mysteriously, and Rumi was heartbroken. But from this heartbreak emerged one of the greatest literary oceans in history. In his pain, Rumi turned to poetry that flowed like a river of light. He wrote thousands of verses filled with love, spiritual longing, human connection, divine union, wisdom, self-reflection. His major works include Masnavi, 6 volumes, often called the Quran in Persian, Diwan-e-Shams, poetry dedicated to spiritual love and longing, Fihi Mafihi, conversations and teachings, Majalisi Saba, 7 sermons. Rumi's poetry crossed languages, cultures, and religions, touching hearts everywhere. Rumi believed love is the path to God. Every human being carries divine light. The universe is connected by one eternal truth. Suffering is a doorway to spiritual awakening. Music and dance can lead to spiritual ecstasy. His famous symbol, the whirling dervish, represents the soul turning toward God, shedding ego, embracing universal love. Rumi taught that love is not just emotion, it is the entire reason for existence. Rumi continued teaching, writing, and inspiring disciples until the end of his life. He passed away in 1273 in Konya. His passing is still celebrated as Shabi Eros, the night of union, the night he united with the divine. Even after 750 plus years, his mausoleum in Konya remains a place of peace, visited by millions. Today, Maulana Rumi is one of the most widely read poets in the world, a bridge between East and West, a symbol of peace and spiritual unity, a timeless guide for seekers of truth. His words continue to inspire generations. His message remains eternal. What you seek is seeking you. Rumi's life is a reminder that wisdom grows from love, and love grows from understanding. His poetry is not just literature, it is medicine for the soul. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore more stories of great thinkers, poets, and mystics.